ay mabait sa asawa, sa biyenan, at sa anak. Kaya Manong Mac nung nasa ospital, ang ano niya, isang tawag lang, "Oh, Willie, kailangan ka namin." Andyan na.
Happy birthday, Kuya Willie! I know we haven't spoken and we haven't talked for a long time, but I've known you through photos, through Facebook. Anjo and I talk on Facebook. So, happy birthday, tsaka happy retirement sa inyo. At tsaka, this is our greetings from Canada to you. And hopefully one day you can come visit here sa Canada din. To come visit us.
Happy retirement, happy birthday, and God bless. Okay, bye now. Ate Lydia, kamusta? Bye. Kamusta, Ate Lydia?
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Willie, and happy retirement. Si Charlotte Puto.
Hi, I'm Danica. Happy birthday, Tito Willie. Hi, I'm Shanna. Happy birthday, Tito Willie.
Ito po si Jong, yung asawa ko po. Happy birthday from the Santillan family.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Willie, Ate Nell, and Anjo. This is Bambi, and this is my son, Hayden. Say hi. Say hi. There, hi. Happy birthday, Kuya Willie. Happy 60th birthday and happy retirement. Good luck and hope all goes well. Stay healthy and have fun. I'll say bye-bye.
Hello, Kuya Willie. Happy birthday. Birthday mo na naman. Matanda ka na naman. Senior citizen ka na, retired ka na. So, enjoyin mo na yung sarili mo. Basta relax ka lang. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Ito na isungot ko.
Happy birthday, Willie. Huwag kang maglala sa puso mo dahil ang mga misis ko namatay hindi sa puso kaya mahaba pang buhay mo.
Namatay sa consumption sa kanya. Kaya wag mong iintindihin si Ate Nel. Para magmukha kang laging bata. Kagaya ko. Okay? Sige. Happy birthday and wish you all the best. I love you, Kuya Willie.
Hello, Willie! Kuya ito, happy birthday! David, happy birthday daw! Si Willie, happy birthday! Hope you're
And happy retirement also, right?
happy retirement and everything, hopefully, everything is good. And hope to see you soon. We're hoping.
Okay, next. Ooh.
Hi, Kuya Willie. I felt like I just saw you. Just kidding. Happy birthday, happy retirement. Hope to see you again soon in the Philippines. God bless. Take care.
David.
David.
Hi, I'm David. I'm all grown up now. But happy
Are
retirement.
you sure?
No. Happy retirement and birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Willie.
Happy birthday.
This is Auntie Norma. I heard you have retired. Good luck.
Working, right?
You're such a good man, Willie.
What did you do?
No one can compare with you.
Just
You're a good husband, a good cook, and good in everything. I hope you stay that way, and I know you will.
Yibi, come here a
Happy
second.
birthday. Oh, happy retirement. And I
Mommy's
know you
making a
will
video
have
right
more
there.
years to come. God bless you. And pray always. Don't forget that, Willie.
Thanks, Mom.
Bye.
Here, say.
Happy birthday.
Uncle Willie. Goes and Uncle
Happy
Willie.
birthday.
birthday.
Uncle Willie.
And happy retirement.
Kuya Willie, happy birthday! Hindi ko alam kung asan ako. Oh, wala na, pangatlo ko na nga to eh. Nabimili nga ako kung ano maganda eh, para yung beauty ko, kitang-kita sa TV. Siyempre, ang daing nanonood, di ba? O baka makuha ko artista. Oh, wala lang, basta happy birthday lang, ingatan mo yung sarili mo. At wala na ako masabi.
3匹の豚で
Kuya Willie, happy birthday!
Order again. Age of retirement. Happy birthday again, and happy birthday again. Long live Willie. Long live us. Long life to all of us. Happy birthday, and may you have your happiest birthday now. Bye-bye!
Hello, Kuya Willie. Sana'y sumapit nawa ang kawalan mo ng maraming mga taon. Huwag ka magkakaroon ng kangayaan sa sarili mo na kailangan kang malakas.
Willie! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Julie.
Happy birthday, Chili. Good health and ingat palagi.
Wish you more birthday to come.
Happy birthday po, Willie!
O, Pogi, happy birthday, Piolo!
O, Pogi, happy birthday! Ang ano ko lang sa'yo, sana umaba pa ang buhay mo. Kasi marami ka pang taong matutulungan.
At pagluluto.
At pagluluto, dito kami kumakain sa inyo.
Ninong Willie, happy birthday. Sayang, wala na akong healthcare. Buti na lang, meron na ako kay RJ.
Ito ka pala naiiyak.
Hindi ako naiiyak. Wala na akong healthcare.
Wala na healthcare.
Happy birthday. Gabi-gabi dito na kami kakain sa Kasi may time para magluto. Diba?
Kuya Willie, happy birthday. Ngayong retired ka na and marami ka ng time para turuan kami ni Irene magluto. So, doon ka na sa amin kami na ngayon na magluluto para sa'yo, di ba? Enjoy mo yung retirement mo, magpahinga ka, you deserve it, at saka, syempre ngayong more time with the family, lagi tayong magbabanding. Happy birthday, Kuya Willie.
Be happy.
Yes.
Lagi tayo magbabanding, so punta tayong Fontana.
Next October.
Ay, Kuya Willie, ako wala masyadong regalo sa'yo. Siguro, maibibigay ko lang sa'yo. Eto, dali lang ha. Where do I see the love story of hindi ko na alam eh. Ay, meron nga pala nagpapabati sa'yo. Sabi nga pala ng tatay, happy birthday daw. Dalawin ka na lang daw.
Pero hindi mo siya dinadalaw, ha?
Happy birthday daw, sabi ng tatay. Happy birthday, Willie!
Dong, happy birthday!
Ninong Willie, happy birthday!
Lolo Willie, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Willie.
Happy birthday, Tito Willie.
May you have more birthdays to come and good health, long life, and
All the happiness in life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
We love you!
Love you!
Le, bago ang lahat, gusto ko munang magpasalamat sa iyo sa lahat ng kabutihang ginawa mo sa amin, mula pa nung maliliit ang mga bata hanggang sa ngayon. Kayo lang ng nanay ang naging inspirasyon ko, naging gabay ko, hanggang sa mapalaki ko yung mga bata. Kasi kung wala kayo ng nanay, hindi ko alam kung nasan ako ngayon. Dahil sa nangyaring aksidente noon. Sana hindi ka magbago. Hili, happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng malakas na katawan, mahabang buhay, at maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo sa amin. At sana magsama-sama tayo ng matagal na panahon. Happy birthday, Willie! We love you!